A motorcycle is much more than just a piece of machinery. It's a true embodiment of top-notch craftsmanship. It gives you the freedom to explore the world and live free. Every time a rider swings his leg over a Suzuki motorcycle, he feels the passion for riding. Passion being the core, Suzuki's design philosophy is run, turn, stop. And with this philosophy, engineers at Suzuki have stunned the motorcycling world with ever-evolving technology and engine refinement. While the engine power is increasing every year, engineers at Suzuki built lighter machines, compact engines with efficient cooling to achieve a machine aligned to the run, turn, stop philosophy. Suzuki motorcycles, which can cruise longer distances with utmost comfort, also gives you power and agility when it comes to city rides. Run, turn, stop. To harness this need, engineers from Suzuki's racing department decided to tap into Suzuki's GSX R750's revolutionary oil cooling system and further developed it to today's SOCS engine, which is lighter, compact, yet high on performance. Moreover, it's low on maintenance as well. In day-to-day riding conditions, Suzuki's SOCS technology achieves higher energy efficiency via optimized oil path, resulting in efficient cooling that enhances the engine performance, thereby increasing the longevity. Through continuous R&D, Suzuki oil cooling system has been found to be efficient than liquid-cooled engine under severe conditions, like being stuck in traffic. Moreover, having no coolant even makes maintenance super easy. Only the engine oil needs to be changed. To make the engine even lighter, Suzuki engineers selected single overhead cam 4 valves instead of a heavier DOHC 4 valve, which further helped to reduce friction and deliver higher output. Suzuki's SOCS personifies the joy of riding via run, turn, stop. It's time to ride and explore like never before with the SOCS technology to get lightweight and compact engine with superior performance yet low on maintenance. And that's how Suzuki revolutionized motorcycling once again.